Here's where you can go to change the refresh rate settings for just games only, and this is for Samsung phones with Android 15 One UI 7.0. Let's go ahead and get started. The guaranteed way to find this setting is using the quick access and tap on the settings toggle right here. Then go down the list until you see the advanced features. So it's to the bottom area here. Once you reach here now, you'll see all these other options and you want to go to where it says Game Booster Settings. You can also type in Game Booster Settings and find it, but sometimes it just doesn't suggest it to you. But anyways, go into it, and once you're here, you're going to see Gaming Motion Smoothness. And there you will see the different options, and depending on your Samsung phone model, you should get either 60 or 120 or maybe just 60 and 90. And of course, this is only for the gaming. This is different from the display settings. And that's it. You can switch it from here to use less or more smoother, but more battery life, like in sub.